loves, I'm here to review the Nouri plant kitchen table grower. I am a beginner grower of herbs, lettuce, spinach, and tomatoes. And yeah, I've always wanted this for years now. I did buy the other Arrow garden back a couple years back. I ended up not moving out, so I never used it, it's just in the garage, but it is stainless steel. And I was looking for a white one that matches the beautiful appliances, and I believe I have found that. And it had tons of reviews, and it came in this beautiful box, literally beautiful, high quality. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I don't know how to grow things just yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. I already bought the seeds from Lowe's, which they had tons of choices, and I used ChatGPT to help me pick the best one out of like 5 per item. I took a picture of it and I sent it, and they decided which one was the best one. So let's see what's inside. Eco-friendly packaging, Smart Garden 12. Maybe there's 12 different ones they've had. Your secret ingredient. This will help us have fresh herbs and grow lettuce. It says the first thing I'm noticing is scan me, so I'll do that later. 2-year warranty plus free perks. That's what it says. Okay, let's continue. Start here. The accessory kit. The box is very snug. Packaged very snugly. I don't want to rip the box. Whoa, the other one I bought from Amazon that I returned like last week is not even close as amazing as this one. They're pretty much the same price. So I'm so happy I returned it, kept looking, and found this one instead. Wow, I think these are the caps to cover. There is 2 missing right here. Maybe they fell in. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm not really sure. I feel like there's supposed to be 12 of them now. Should I check? Unless someone used it, returned it, and took them. I don't see anything down there. That's a very problem if that's the case, though. Oh no, it's down here. Wait, hold on. They're down here. They must have fell through. I feel them. I feel them. False alarm, false alarm. Ah, my finger is stuck. Okay. Comes with these. I guess we'll learn what everything is, but I'll just show you guys what it's coming with. Maybe there's like YouTube videos on how to do it. Precise tweezers for seeds and more. Wow. Metal black. Quality. Whoa, I've actually never used scissors like this before. So sick. We have a marker, maybe for labels. And we have, oh, these are the labels. You can label which is which. So cute. Plant food. Plants need food too. Plant food B. Love the bottles. They're super soft and nice to touch. And then amazing white cords, which I love. It fits my aesthetic perfect. And yeah, it says everything that you have here. Incredible. Oh, it's a whiteboard marker, so you can actually reuse these labels. I love that. That's such a smart idea. It's a whiteboard, so you can always erase it and change it over time if you have different things to grow. Super cool. Love it. Quality. I would recommend this. Like, this is way better than the last one. It's amazing how one company just has things down and like can still charge pretty much the same amount, whereas another company just gives you the bare minimum and each piece isn't as quality and they can still charge the same amount. It's kind of insane. So I'm so grateful that I kept searching. Happy growing. Share your journey on Nouri Garden. Oh. Your new favorite secret ingredient. These are tips. Seeds are unique. Why is my plant not growing? Refill often with fresh water. Trim those roots. Mold and algae. Be brave. Prune. How many plants per pod? So a lot of questions. We can get them answered when growing. Accessories you can buy from their website if you want to. Yeah. And then this cute, it's party theme time. It's party time. Oh my, I can't believe I just read that so wrong. It's party. That's so cute. Because it's a spice. And that was really clever and cute of them to do that. This one has 12 pods. Wow, I love when they have like instructions like this. Where you can see like each step. 1, 2, do the water. That's what it's gonna look like, but we have a white one. Enjoy, it says. Add the water mix and plug it in. Yay, I'm super excited. And they have an app too. Perfect. This one has an app. I love when these technology companies have apps. I feel like all the tech should have apps with everything. Like even like just anything that's technology and like high quality, it should have an app. Especially in 2026. Wow. It's giving us the stages. It's teaching us. Germination, seedling, vegetative, flowering, ripening. Herbs, leafy greens and veggies, microgreens, thyme, rosemary, oregano. Oh, these ones are more advanced, it's saying. Easy, medium, so there's like levels to, I guess, like growing stuff at home that might be harder or more easy. Oh, that's what the dome is for. And it just gives you like what the names of everything is and where to put things. Single use sticker. Hybrid versus, just more information. And there's a community. Get support. Oh, you can get support too. WhatsApp support, scan me. And there's a phone number right there. Incredible. I love when companies do the extra like this. So because we're new growers, we might have questions. Love this. This is a solid company for sure. I love that it's pure white because the other one was off-white, which is why I returned it. I'm so grateful that I'm picky because if I would have not been picky, I would not be seeing this perfect, incredible, high-quality one right now in front of us. So I had to make sure it was white, and now I found one that's white, and it's better. So 10 out of 10. Let's raise it. And then the caps are going to go on top of that, apparently. And they also gave one as a free thing. A free, what is it? Tom Thumb lettuce. How nice. Happy growing. And it explains like 3 to 4 seeds per pod. Using the tweezers. Expires on that date. It's 2026 right now. This is 2029. Amazing. So kind of them. They didn't have to do that. was two. Oh no, it kind of got messed up. It's okay. Nothing's perfect. These ones will be towards the back because they got a little messed up in the shipment. Actually, I probably put them both on this one, the back one, on either side. Yay. Super cute. I can't wait for this to go next to my beautiful appliances in my kitchen. Power on, veggie and flour, brightness, pump the Wi-Fi. Pump Wi-Fi, it says. I think it's like a touch thing because there's no buttons. Amazing. And the light is here. It's already screwed in and everything. You just plug it in and turn it on. And then, oh, this comes off. Wow. Oh, they already did it for us. Wow, the other company did not do that. They already did it. All we have to do is put the seeds in. It makes our job even easier to grow. I think the ones they gave in there are all extra. And we can use these ones right now. And then we put the water in there. Hooray! Amazing. This is the unboxing. I wanted to share with you guys what this comes with. If you're looking at this on Amazon, this I believe is the best one for my research. Tons of reviews. I was looking at 3 of them, but 2 of them I was looking at seriously, and then I bought one that technically might have been the best, I thought, because of what ChatGPT said and the way it looked and its shape and stuff, and the reviews. But then the color was off and I was like, no, it has to match all of my beautiful appliances so it's seamlessly white on my kitchen counter and not just this random like cream one. And then now this being here, this has way better things. Everything, the way the structure is, the way the design is, not even just the aesthetics, but like the way everything's placed and organized, and the bottles are bigger and they're softer. Everything is higher quality. And the other one did not have these or the marker, or I don't even remember seeing the tubes either actually. This one came with way more, not even those tools. It didn't even come with tools. So this one, it comes with so much more. They obviously really want us to like be successful in our first time growing. I'm so grateful I decided to return the other one for the off-white color. And this, I believe, is the best one on Amazon we can buy. That is white. I don't know about the stainless steel, but if you're looking for a white one, this one is amazing. And I do have the Arrow Garden, which technically is the first company, the best company for these type of style. I do have that one. I spent like, I think it was like 300, maybe more possibly, because it was a Kickstarter. It was in the beginning. And it's a stainless steel one. So technically, if you love stainless steel and that high quality design, then that might be, Arrow Gun might be the one for you. But if you're looking for white because you have beautiful appliances and everything is white in your kitchen, then this is the one for you. So yeah, that is my unboxing for Nouri. I'm super excited to put this together and start growing lettuce, spinach, cherry tomatoes, parsley, cilantro, and basil. I think there's one more. Green onions. Super excited. I already bought them from Lowe's. And Chloe is here with us. She's kind of sleepy, as you can see. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed and got value. I will be showing you guys the process, so stick with me and you will see that. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you.